up a crew today. In front of me we got Grandma Badger on her Can-Am Spider. Right in front of her we got Grandpa Badger on his 2009 CBO Springer. Right after him we got Bob Miller. He's riding a 2000 Springer Heritage. Right after him, his wife, Cece, she's on her, I believe it's a 2006 Heritage Softail Trike. Of course, we got Mama Badger up here on her custom 2005 Fat Boy. And that's our crew today. What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode 2 of Bikers Supporting Bikers. Today I'm here with Bob Miller and his lovely bike. And Bob Miller owns Termite and Pest Control. What I want to do today is I want to let you guys get to know Bob more so than me. You hear from me all the time. So a couple questions for you, Bob. First off, I did say the name of your business, but I'd prefer if you did. So what is your name and the name of your business and how long you've been in business?
Well, my name is Bob Miller, and my wife and I own Termite and Pest Control Incorporated. We're out of Southwest Cape Coral. We service the Charlotte County, Lee County, and Collier County areas.
Fantastic. And you've been a customer of mine for a couple of years, so Angie and I have got to know you over that time. So the funny thing is, you actually used to work at Harley-Davidson that I used to work at, and we actually just kind of missed each other. You were leaving, and I was coming in, so it's just funny how small a world that is.
It is indeed, and I consider it a good thing that I was leaving because I came into doing pest control, which I really love so much, and it gives me time to go riding.
Right? Absolutely. So, speaking of riding, that's probably the most important thing about all the interviews I do. So, first off, how long have you been riding?
Well, let's see. I'm 65 years old. My dad bought me my first Cushman motor scooter in 1960. Now, I got it when I was 13 years old. And so I've been riding since age 13 something.
Awesome, fantastic. And so your first bike was a Cushman, and you're actually restoring a Cushman right now, right?
That is correct. I've got a 1956 Cushman Eagle that I'm restoring. It's a lot of fun.
I actually have a picture of that. I will post it up right here, so you guys can see that. So introduce them to your current bike. What are you currently riding?
Okay, currently in front of us is a 2000 Harley-Davidson Heritage Springer. A lot of customization has taken place on it. It has a full Stage 4 Screaming Eagle kit. It has a complete dual exhaust system. It runs like a bat out of hell, if I can say that. It's a lot of fun to ride.
Absolutely. I'm personally a huge fan of the Springers, so I absolutely love the bike, and you've taken excellent care of it. And I asked you earlier, I think you're right at about, what, 30,000 miles on it?
That's about right.
Fantastic.
That's a 20-year-old bike in front of you.
I like the older stuff. It has more character, more stories, more history, and to me that is one of the absolute best things. So the other question that I always ask everybody is, of all the places in the world to ride, where would you want to ride, and where's your favorite place to ride?
I've probably ridden in 9 or 10 different states. I love the North Carolina mountains. I love the winding roads, the scenery. You'll turn one corner and you'll see a ravine that goes down 500 feet. Another corner and you'll see a beautiful lake. And if you catch it during fall, you see the leaves. For us, there's nothing better.
Fantastic. We're huge fans of the mountains too. The tail of the dragon's up in the mountains, and some of the best riding you can do is up there on this mountain.
Yeah, Cece and I did that last year, the tail of the dragon. It's an interesting ride.
Fantastic. And we'll introduce you to Cece here in a few if Angie can get her to do an interview as well. So
All right, I have Miss Cece Miller with me, and Miss Cece Miller's been riding for how long, sweetie?
Just a couple years.
All right, so what made you decide to ride?
I don't know, I like the feeling of it. I rode with somebody when I was about 16 years old, and ever since then I've been hooked on it.
So it was on the bucket list, and you just wanted to make sure.
It was.
Perfect. Okay, girl, so what are you riding?
I'm riding a Heritage Trike. I love it. I'm on it all the time. I had a two-wheeler, wasn't real comfortable on it, but I knew I wanted to ride. So we got myself a Trike, and I love it.
Right, so it doesn't matter what you're riding so long as you're riding.
That's right.
And you need to find what's gonna fit you. What's the best fit for you in riding that you're gonna feel the most comfortable on. And so kudos, to you for finding that and figuring out. And you've been doing a lot to this bike too. She's been making it her own and adding a lot of things to it and changing things. So yeah, so whatever it is, we don't care. Go get your license if that's what you're wanting to do. If you got your license, go get that bike, jump on it. And yeah, so I'm going to show you around her bike so you get to see what she is on. All right.
all right, Bob. Guys, anybody you know in Southwest Florida that needs pest control, make sure that they get a hold of Bob. A lot of people have friends and family down here, so Bob will take great care of them.
Would you like the telephone number?
Give them the phone number, give them the website.
239-900-7378. The website is termitepci.com.
All right. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and remember, bikers supporting bikers, and go to supportbikers.com. Thanks, guys.